What if I told you the biggest threat to your retirement isn't inflation, taxes, or even the stock market, but something far more invisible? Hi, I'm glad you're here, because today we're going to talk about the real risk to retirees that almost no one is talking about, and it's not what you think. See, while everyone's focused on interest rates, the election, and whether or not President Trump's return will stabilize things, there's a silent force eroding retirement savings right under our noses. It's called false confidence. The dangerous belief that things will just go back to normal. And that's exactly what nearly cost Tom and Janet Miller everything. They're a retired couple out of Prescott, Arizona. Tom spent 32 years as an engineer for a defense contractor. Janet was a school librarian, conservative savers, never made risky moves. But in 2022, they watched nearly $180,000 vanish from their IRA in just 4 months, all because they believed the system would bounce back. But here's the kicker. What saved the rest of their retirement wasn't timing the market or chasing another stock rally. It was moving just $512,300, a portion of their IRA, into something real, physical, unshakable, a gold IRA. Now, I'll come back to Tom and Janet in a second. But first, let's look at what's actually going on today. Headline after headline keeps confirming what retirees feel in their gut. The U.S. debt just crossed $35 trillion, with interest payments alone now higher than defense spending. The IMF warns of significant uncertainty in global markets as China's economy wobbles and war tensions rise in the Middle East. And while official inflation numbers have cooled, have your grocery bills, retirees are being told to just ride it out. But when you're 62, 67, 70, do you really have time to ride out another lost decade? This is why so many Americans are looking at alternatives, and specifically at gold IRAs. So what is it? A gold IRA is a retirement account that holds physical gold or precious metals, not just paper promises. It's government approved, IRS compliant, and can be rolled over directly from your current 401k or IRA without penalties or triggering taxes. More importantly, it gives you true diversification, and in uncertain times, true peace of mind. Tom and Janet, after making the move, they didn't just preserve their savings, they gained confidence. They told their advisor, "We finally feel like we're not just surviving retirement, we're securing it." And you know where it started? With the exact same offer I'm about to give you. Right now, you can get a free gold IRA guide plus a no-pressure educational call with a US-based specialist who'll answer your questions one-on-one. There are no gimmicks, no free silver bait. Just real education to see if this is a fit for you. This is especially for American retirees with 100K or more saved in an IRA or 401k. Because if you've worked hard for decades to build your retirement, you owe it to yourself and your family to protect it. Let this be your turning point, just like it was for the Millers. Click the link, get the free guide, book your call, no pressure, just answers. Because the biggest risk isn't market crashes or government debt. It's doing nothing and realizing too late that you could have protected what you've built.